Hi everyone, Healthhannex TV, an online natural health platform where we look at the failed prove concepts and guidelines of natural health to recover and maintain health, especially in the field of sexual dysfunctions, anti-aging, and fertility. You're welcome. Today, I will look at 5 ways fruit and veggies can replace medications. If you'd rather eat fresh fruit or a carrot than pop a pill to stay healthy, go for it. Increasing research indicates that a diet that includes fresh fruits and vegetables could be as good or better for you than drugs when it comes to controlling or eliminating some diseases and illnesses. If you want to lower cholesterol, reduce high blood pressure, and improve digestive health, eat a diet that includes apples, grapes, strawberries, and citrus fruits, as well as fatty fish, soybeans, vegetable oils rather than butter or lard, nuts, beans, oats, and barley. Here are 5 ways of eating fresh fruits and veggies could make you healthier than medications you may be taking. 1. Satins. Oxford University researchers have found that eating a piece of fruit each day significantly lowers the likelihood of a heart attack. In fact, eating even one piece of fruit each day lowered the risk of a heart attack or stroke by 1/3 over a 7-year period, a result that's as significant as taking a statin, but without the side effects. Many people complain of side effects from statins, including muscle pains, weakness, and fatigue, reported The Telegraph. The side effects of fruit: more energy, more vitamins and minerals, and more fiber in the diet. 2. Insulin. Eating at least 3 servings per week of apples, blueberries or grapes lowers the risk for developing type 2 diabetes compared to those who eat less of these fruits. Note: fruit juice, with its high glycemic content, increases diabetes risk by as much as 21%. If you already have diabetes, talk to your doctor about whether increasing the amount of fruit you eat and making other dietary changes will reduce your need to take insulin. This study found that 90% of diabetics who changed diets to include more fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and beans were able to come off all diabetic medications. 3. Cholesterol drugs. Statins and others. Shifting to a cholesterol-lowering diet takes more attention than popping a daily statin, reports Harvard University. If you want to lower cholesterol, reduce high blood pressure, and improve digestive health, eat a diet that includes apples, grapes, strawberries, and citrus fruits, as well as fatty fish, soybeans, vegetable oils rather than butter or lard, nuts, beans, oats, and barley. 4. Laxatives. Replace over-the-counter laxatives and fiber mixes with fruits and vegetables high in fiber. Leave the skins on apples, pears, peaches, and other fruits. Choose fibrous vegetables like cabbage, beans, broccoli, and beets. And of course, drink lots of water. 5. Multivitamins. A set of studies published in the Annals of Internal Medicine concluded that multivitamins have shown no health benefits. On the other hand, people who eat 7 or more portions of fruit and vegetables a day have a 42% lower risk of death than those who eat less than 1 portion, according to a study published in the Journal of Epidemiology and Community Health. We all know that eating fruit and vegetables is healthy, but the size of the effect is staggering. The clear message here is that the more fruit and vegetables you eat, the less likely you are to die at any age. Vegetables have a larger effect than fruit, but fruit still makes a real difference. If you're happy to snack on carrots or other vegetables, then that is a great choice, but if you fancy something sweeter, a banana or any fruit will also do you good. By the way, as helpful as fruits and vegetables are, there are some foods you absolutely should not mix with certain medications. Have you ever wondered why certain medications don't work after several days of use? Normally, people who have experienced this will conclude that the drug is fake, expired, or even a wrong prescription. Some will even go as far as blaming satanic powers. But do you know there are certain foods and medicine you shouldn't mix together? Yes. Certain meals can prevent your medications from working, or worse still, cause dangerous side effects, and we have curated 6 of them here. Many people probably do not know this, so share to save a life. Vitamin C and anti-malaria drugs. This is what happens when you mix both. But first, a background: all drugs are metabolized in the liver. The liver is rich in iron, and iron is important in the life cycle of malaria parasites Plasmodium. Vitamin C helps in the absorption of iron, which goes to the liver. Malaria parasites accumulate in the liver and multiply since the iron they need to survive is surplus there. This counteracts the effect of whatever malaria drug you're taking. So chill on those citrus fruits or supplements when you're treating malaria. Painkillers and soft drinks or soda. We all know soft drinks contain carbonated water. I mean, it's boldly written on the bottle label, can. Carbonated water equals carbon dioxide gas plus water. No, you do not just add carbon dioxide and water together, it has to be dissolved under pressure and all. So when you take painkillers and soft drinks or soda together, the carbon dioxide gas and the acid it contains increases the concentration of the drugs in the blood, which leads to toxicity that could be fatal. Dairy products and antibiotics. Antibiotics are drugs used in the treatment and prevention of bacteria. Examples are tetracycline and penicillin. Dairy products are rich in calcium, which prevents the body from absorbing these antibiotics. This reduces the drug's efficacy. Banana and anti-hypertensive drugs. Bananas are rich in potassium. Anti-hypertensive drugs increase potassium levels in the blood. Anti-hypertensive drugs plus bananas equals too much potassium, which leads to irregular heartbeat, heart palpitations, and could cause diseases such as arrhythmia. Love your heart. Grapefruit and satin. Statin is a class of drug used to lower cholesterol levels. Like most drugs, it also has side effects. Grapefruit contains a compound chemical that stops the breakdown of statins in the intestine. It leads to an increased level of the drug equals higher risk of side effects. Side effects include muscle breakdown, liver damage, digestive problems, increased blood sugar. Neurological side effects. Milder side effects include muscle and joint pain. The FDA reports that the risk of muscle breakdown and liver damage can lead to kidney failure. Neurological side effects include confusion and memory loss, according to the Mayo Clinic. Leafy vegetables and anticoagulants. Blood thinner. Anticoagulants, blood thinners, are medications that decelerate blood coagulation. No, they don't actually thin your blood, but they prevent blood clots from growing larger and are used to prevent stroke and treat heart disease. Examples are aspirin, warfarin. Leafy vegetables are rich in vitamin K. Vitamin K promotes blood clotting. So what happens? The effect of the drug is countered. This shouldn't be the first time you read, "Don't take drugs with alcohol." Why so? Drugs are metabolized in the liver. Alcohol is metabolized in the liver. You actually overwork your liver when taking alcohol and drugs at the same time, leading to liver damage. We all know medicine comes with a long list of things you can't do if a certain drug doesn't work or makes you feel some type of way. Don't assume anything. Immediately consult your doctor for advice. That's it, guys. I want to remind you very quickly that all the stuff we're saying here isn't really drugs, they're for information purposes, and it's best to check with your doctor before you go ahead and use any of these items. Often don't forget to subscribe so that you will know when we have new videos, and then toggle on your alerts so that when new videos are loaded you will be automatically informed. That you can often share these videos with people who have or are going through these challenges, and let them know. Alright. Thanks so much for watching. Have a good day. Remember, make your food your medicine and your medicine your food.